Hello everyone, welcome to part 81 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life series. Here we're talking about Principle 81, this idea of not needing to be boastful. Now we've talked a little bit about this one before, but this one's a very strong one, even stronger than a principle we covered earlier about kind of the same topic, because when you have 101 principles, you're going to repeat yourself a little bit on it. But that kind of repetition can also be super useful, so at least there's that. Now, not being boastful is an important thing because he's saying a lot of people go out saying, yeah, look at me, I'm the strongest, I'm the best, I got all the skill, I got all the power, I can do whatever, and they try to show that up to everybody. And then everybody naturally just feels jealous. If they accept that fact, they're not really happy about it. They're like, why is this guy like better than I am, and they want to show him up, they want to sabotage him. If something bad happens, they don't want to help. They're just like, haha, he got what he deserved because he had nicer stuff than me and stuff. So really, that's what we're getting into here, is just this idea that we don't need to have that. When we boast to others, naturally, others just feel bad about themselves. They don't feel good about it. But when we become interested in other people, when we have that kind of influential take on it, when we want good for other people, and we want to listen to them, then we don't have to tell all these things about how great we are, all this kind of stuff. They naturally think we're great because we listen to them, and nobody ever listens to basically anybody else. So that kind of skill is rare. It gives people a rare caliber, and people want to be around these people all the time. They're like, oh, this person's the greatest. I want to make them top of my company. I want to do this for them. I want to do that for them. As soon as you listen to other people, you're interested in other people, that gives you the power. Not being boastful and needing to alter details about your own life of, yeah, I'm the greatest to ever been, I got that skill, whatever. If you need to really win, tell yourself you're the greatest. I'm the greatest, I can do this. But don't boast to others, especially when you're going to need to alter details to do so. Don't do none of that. Just work with trying to influence other people by listening to them and working with them. He says that will lead you down the path. Now this is a little bit difficult because our natural inclination is to boast about things, but that's just not necessary, is mostly what he's saying. That's about it for this part. I will see you guys next time, so stay tuned.